Research complete.
Hello friends, my name is Pradeep Kumar. Let's start a new tutorial about the C#.NET programming. Okay, this is the tutorial number 3 about how we can change the color property of any control or indicator or our form. Okay, now let's first open the software. Visual Studio 2019. Click to open. Okay. Okay, now click to create a new project. Okay, now enter. Okay, now you see window form app.net framework. Now click to next. Okay, and change the name. I'm at here color property. Now let's change the location. Come to D, and I'm choose this location. Okay, color property, color properties. Okay, now I'm choose this folder. Select and click to create. Okay, now done. You see. Let's close this one. And this is our toolbox, and this is our solution explorer as well as property. Okay, this is the property, this is solution about our project details. Okay, this is the properties, this is reference, and this is form. This one is our form. Okay, now what we do, let's first we take a text. Okay, this is our text box. Drag here. Okay, let's increase their size and click to this one. Okay, now click to font. Let's change this one. I'm at here 14. Okay, now let's enter some value and check the text. Yes, this is the text. I'm in here. Hello guys. Okay, like this. Now you see hello guys. Okay, now we okay, now what do you do, let's drag button. Now see the button, drag 1 2 and 3. Okay, select all, come to properties. Now let's come to font and enter 14. Okay, like this. Now increase the size 14, like this. Now what you do, click this one. Now change the text. Where is text? Okay, now enter red, and in this enter green. Now enter yellow. Okay, yellow, like this. Okay, all done. Let's modify. Okay, now what we do, let's search label. Okay, and drag here. In this label I'm enter here simple value, that is color property. Okay, now let's increase their size. Now come to font, and I'm in here 14. Yes, this is our label. Okay, color properties. This is our text, and this is red, green, yellow. This is buttons. Okay, now we need to change the color of this text. Okay, now you see this is the property of text box 1. Now okay, and when you come to nearby name, and you see this is our tag text box 1. Now we change this one. I'm at here color text. Please remember this one, color text, because help of this we create a programming. Okay, help of this we write a logic. Okay, because the bracket name is very important. This is our tag. Okay, help of this we can easy to write a code. Okay, now let's change the button properties. Click to name. I'm at here red button. This tag name is red button. You see red button. Now come to green, and let's change green button. Okay, now let's take last one button is let's change the yellow button. Okay, now done. Okay, this text box control name is color text, and button tag name is red button, and this is green button, this is yellow button, you see. Okay, now what we do, first double click on the red. Okay, now you see you need to enter a logic here. Okay, now what you do, we need to change the text color property. Okay, now what you do, okay, and color and properties, and you see color properties. Okay, color text. Now click to color text. Okay, and please remember this is color text. Now click to this one and you see color text property. Okay, this is the tag name, or we can say name of this text is color property. Okay, and when you come down and you see name equal to color text. Okay, that's why I'm enter here color text. Okay, and I'm enter dot. Okay, back color, and you see back color, and equal to you need to enter color color dot which one, let's I'm click to red. Okay, now you see it's done. Now what you do, same click, double click on the green. Okay, and enter same name color text. Okay, color text, this is the property of our text. Okay, dot, you need to change the back color, that's why you need to enter back color. Okay, equal to which color, enter color property. Dot which one, let's I'm click to green, enter green, yellow, and choose the green one. Okay, now done. Now let's come on the next one, yellow. Double click this one. Okay, same, you need to enter the property of your text, and the text tag name is color, color. Okay, color text, this one. Dot, you need to change the back color, that's why you need to enter back color. And please remember, click to this one, and when you click to text and you see the appearance have a back color property, you can change half of this. Okay, you can change help of this one also, but in the programming this is the way to change the color equal to color. Okay, which one, let's I'm click to yellow. Okay, done, everything is done. Now what you do, save this project. Okay, and let's click to start. Okay, now you see this is our message, hello guys. And when you click to red and you see red, click to green, green, click to yellow, yellow, you see green, red, yellow, and you can enter any name, like I'm enter here lab view. Okay, lab view, and click to red and you see green, yellow. Okay, this is our text property, this is our label, only indicate the title color properties, and this is button, click to red, green to green, and yellow to yellow, like this. Okay guys, thank you so much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much guys.